Hi there, welcome back to Yoruba Mom's Cooking. Today what we're going to be doing something really delicious, refreshing, and it's a drink, and it's called Chapman. Chapman was created by a Nigerian person, a Nigerian very important person. Is Mr. Alamutu, Chief Alamutu actually, and he created this to serve the people in the hotel, like Nigerian hotel in those days. Baba Alamutu created this so that people that don't drink alcohol can also enjoy a nice refreshing drink. So we need, what we need is orange or Fanta. In this case I have orange drink like Sunkist, it's like Fanta. And you need 7-Up. It's gonna be 50-50 as you can see. And then you need, I'm gonna use grape, but you know, you have this really color thing that you can use. It's kind of bitter, but I use grape. And I use this for holidays and special and birthdays so that we can enjoy something really refreshing and delicious. So we need, we also need ice to make it really cooling. And then I'm gonna kind of put some orange in it. I'm just gonna dice some orange and throw it in it too. Just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm gonna put the ice. And then I'm gonna throw in the 7-Up and the Sunkist orange, like Fanta. 7-Up has lemon and lime in it, like you can see there. So if you don't have all these, like the drink of 7-Up or Sprite, and you don't have Fanta, but you have orange fruit and you have lemon and lime, you can just kind of like squeeze it out, and it will be, you'll have about the same result. So now this is not going to be much in it. I just wanted to kind of like yep, that's the grape, because I still wanted to have this little bit of color in it. And there we go. Voila. Refreshing drink. And then you can serve it with a nice glass. Okay. And this will be the, let's taste it. Oh my, oh, it's so delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a great one. Udabo. Bye-bye.